Hey everyone, welcome back to T-Squared Tutoring. So I got three things to address before we get into this video. One, sorry for not posting for a while. I just haven't had anything to really make a video on, so I finally got something. A few more videos should be coming out soon before I get into a content drought. Two, you may have seen a notification for a video that's with the same title. Yeah, I already recorded this video, but turns out that I forgot to actually turn on my mic, so now I get to re-record it. Woohoo! And three, I'm not gonna be able to make it to the in-person event for T-Squared Tutoring tomorrow because I have an ACT at the same time. So yeah. Anyway, with that all being said, let's get into this video. So 1. Cotangent x minus tangent x equals 2 cotangent 2x. First thing I'm going to do is write it in terms of cosine and sine. And also, sorry for rushing in advance, because I've already done this. I want to get this done. Sorry. Anyway, let's continue. Now I'm going to get it into the same denominator. So multiply by cosine, sine on both sides. Oops. Alright, so now we're here. Now, this involves two formulas. I believe they're called the double angle formulae. Yeah, double angle formulae. 1, cosine theta minus sine squared theta equals cosine 2 theta. For this case, we'll replace theta with x, but this is just a generalized statement. Sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cosine theta. Cool. So, looking at the numerator, we can use formula number 1. Oh, my apologies, didn't mean to write it in theta. And x. Now, for the numerator, we could just, although we don't quite have a 2 sign here, there's no 2 here. If we divide by 1/2, you'll get, divide by 2, we'll get 1/2 sine 2 theta equals sine theta cosine theta. And then we could plug it back into our denominator that way. Since a 1/2 is on the bottom, we get to flip the guy and multiply. So I'll get us 2 cosine 2x. I use thetas again. And then and that's in cotangent, it's just cosine over sine. So we get that. And we can bring down it from earlier, they're the same. Now coincidentally, this one also happens to be equal to 2 cotangent 2 and then times your variable. Complete accident. Didn't mean to. Oh well. Anyway, first thing we're gonna do, multiply, is to get the same denominator again. I need to move this over a bit. Oh, my apologies, you can't do that. Oh, not quite. Actually, I'm just gonna rewrite these, and you'll see why later. Alright, so then we get this. Now we get to use the angle addition theorem. No, angle addition identity. There's like a whole bunch, but we're just gonna use one. States you have cosine of some angle. For this example, I'll just say alpha because that's what Wikipedia said I should use. Alpha. Then you're subtracting it by some angle beta. Once again, Wikipedia names. You'll get cosine alpha cosine beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Now if you look here, we have alpha, which is 3t. We have a beta, which is the regular t. So we can rewrite the numerator as cosine 3t minus t over 1/2 sine 2t. I'm not really going to explain the numerator because I did earlier. Anyway, if you take 3t minus a t, you'll get cosine 2t over 1/2 sine 2t. And we went, as we saw earlier, where did that parentheses come from? There we go. And you could just simplify that to 2 cotangent 2t. So yeah, this concludes this video. Sorry for being a little less energetic because, I already did this. But yeah, thanks for watching.